Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing the best finds from the Amazon Big Spring Sale. I scoured through all the deals to share the best of the best with all of you, so that way you don't have to. I'm going to be categorizing this video into different sections, from home to fashion to beauty to tech. So I will have it all linked below in that description box. I will also have an entire roundup of all the best spring sale deals from my Amazon storefront so that you could browse through even more deals. So let's just get started. I will also have like all my outfit details and everything at the end. I'll talk about it more. First, we're gonna start off with home, probably my favorite category to shop during the sale, especially if you're doing some spring cleaning. It's nice to find some really good cleaning tools to help make things so much easier and better for your home. First, I want to suggest a Bissell steamer. This steamer is so good, especially when you open your windows and you see all the dirt and pollen and all that debris in your window at the bottom. This just melts everything right away. I love that it's a steamer, so it will also sanitize anything that you are cleaning as well. So if you want to use this even in your shower, little nooks and crannies there on tiled areas. People use them on door handles to steam and sanitize. There are so many areas you could use this steamer. It's a handheld device, and then it just powers all the steam in my windows. I did this the other day on my windows for some spring cleaning. Now that I'm opening my windows more, I don't want to have all that dirt that's sitting on the windowsill coming in, with the wind. So I cleaned everything off. I even used the steamer over my screens and I just wiped them clean, and like my screens were like black. So we don't want all that dirt filtering in through your home. This is definitely hands down so good. It's under $50. I do also want to make a disclaimer. All deals are subject to change. Things change throughout the sale. So if you do see it on sale, definitely grab it. Going along with the steam category, the steam mop is so good. I love a steam mop, especially for my tile bathroom floors. I love this thing so much because it will, again, sanitize. You don't use any chemicals when you're cleaning, and it's just so nice, and my floors just never look cleaner when I use the steamer. This one, it doesn't say a label of the Big Spring Sale on it, but it is in fact on sale. When I bought mine, I paid full price, so this is a way better deal than what I paid. So good. There's also a few other ones that are well under 100 that I've also heard great things about, but I wanted this one because this has the Power Shot steamer also in front. This is highly reviewed. I absolutely love mine. The mop pad just go right into the washing machine and they're good as new, but I love this thing so much and highly recommend. There's also another one from Shark that is like a couple levels down, but it's still, I've heard really great reviews on. So just depending on price point, they have those two options on a major deal. Just want to quickly touch on the Dyson items that are on sale. The Dyson vacuum, if you're in the market for a vacuum, the Dyson vacuum is truly a game changer. It picks up so much stuff from your flooring. It's insane. Just when I think my floors look clean, I'll run my Dyson over them and it's insane how much is in the canister. It's mind-blowing at how well it really cleans my home. So I'll really recommend the Dyson vacuum. Also the Dyson fan, especially going into the warmer months. I really love my fan because sometimes in the summer I do like to run the fan. I have this hot and cool fan from Dyson. It is part of the spring sale and I love that so much, and it's really nice quality. It also has a purifier on the bottom, an air purifier, which helps clean your air, which is really nice too. Speaking of cleaner air, the next one is the Air Doctor. Highly recommend. I've had mine for years and it truly, again, boggles my mind at how much it picks up. And some of you said I influenced you to purchase it and you love it as well. So I love to hear that. I love to hear that you guys enjoy it and absolutely love it. So it truly is worth the investment, especially if you have windows open in the spring and pollen and all that. This will filter all of that out, which is so nice and just a game changer. I have one bigger Air Doctor on my first floor to filter the whole first floor. I have one specific Air Doctor though for my bedroom. I have one in my basement. Next is my candle lamp. I really love my candle lamp because it just warms your candles without having to worry about a flame, which is so nice. And it offers like a really nice glow in your house, especially at night when I have it on. It's so nice. It fills, of course, my whole room with that fragrance, and actually my whole first floor. I could smell my candle, so I'll just put my Fate Naturals candle underneath and I Just love it so much, and it's so pretty too. It's nice decor. My faux hydrangeas, I was so excited to see as part of the sale. These have been a favorite of mine for years, and they have actually been in some of my top sellers out of the entire year for my Amazon finds, and they truly are just such a beautiful faux hydrangea. They not only look real, but they feel real. It's just kind of like one of those things you have to touch in person to like really see like how nice it is, but it's just truly so nice. I have the white, I have the pink, and really you only need like even one set to make a smaller arrangement, and it just really freshens the look of your home, especially for springtime. I think these are absolutely beautiful. Next are some kitchen items. So first up are the stainless steel baking sheets. These are really, really nice quality. I've been trying to convert everything in my home to that really nice stainless steel. I love that it's like non-toxic, so I get the stainless steel baking sheets. Those are part of the deal, which I was excited to see. And then the stainless steel pots and pans, again, anything like with that Teflon I've been trying to stay away from and shift over to stainless steel. So I love my Amazon stainless steel pots and pans. Excited to see those on a deal. Some decor items, this cordless table lamp I love so much. It's so pretty. And like I said, it's cordless. You could take it from room to room if you want to. If the power goes out, those have been really helpful for when we had like a power outage. I really love that. As long as you have them, you know, charged and ready to go and keep up with charging them, they are really, really nice. I have one in my office. I have one in my kitchen, one in my closet. Like I love placing those throughout my home. If you want to place it in an area that doesn't have an outlet, then you don't even have to worry because you could just place it anywhere you want. And it's so beautiful. It looks so sturdy and very luxe. My olive tree is on sale under $100, and I have searched high and low for the perfect olive tree in my living room. And this one looks so nice because it could be really easy to, with especially faux flowers and faux stems, it could really be a hard thing to search for like a non like cheesy looking like cheapy olive tree. This one is well under 100. I love that it gives you that Pottery Barn Crate and Barrel look, because I have looked on there, but they are like $300, $400, and $500. But this one is like a 20% of the price, and I love that, you know, you get that look for less, and it really does look beautiful. I was skeptical. It was definitely skeptical, but so glad I just took the risk and it paid off. Aura photo frame, this is on a deal. Always love to see this on a deal because it doesn't go on a deal super often, but when it does, it's a great time to pick it up if you've had your eye on it. I love this Aura photo frame. I've gifted it to so many people for birthdays, Christmas, like all the things, and just everyone always says they love it whenever I give it to them because it truly is a nice, meaningful gift. I love that you could just take your photos from your camera roll and have them, you know, showcased on your Aura frame. You could set the photos to change however often you like. You could also invite people on the app to share photos. And the frame is also just a beautiful piece of decor. It's just absolutely gorgeous. So if you're looking for that unique gift, or even just to treat yourself, I know Mother's Day is around the corner. It would be an amazing Mother's Day gift. Or just like I said, even graduation gift. Like if you have someone going away to college, I think it would be so nice for them to have it in their dorm room. So it's a really, really nice gift, or even just to treat yourself and have it in your home. I love looking at mine in my kitchen every morning as I'm making my matcha, looking at the photos. Like it's just so nice to have all my vacations and my nieces and nephews. Like I have all of that on my frame. I get to see, it's not just stored away on my phone. So I love that. Let's move on to beauty. I was excited to see something from Biossance, which is one of my favorite skincare brands. They have the eye peptide gel on sale for 25% off for the big spring sale. Now I will say though, as a little tip, if you are wanting other products to try, there's an even better deal on the Biossance website. So I just want to let you guys know, because I always want to give you guys the best deals, not just what's on Amazon. So if you are though interested in Biossance, they're matching the 25% off with the entire site. Plus I do have a code with them. This is not sponsored, but I do have a code with them. You could stack. I don't even know if that was supposed to happen because usually you can't stack, but you could stack it. I tried it out and it's amazing. So I'm gonna be reordering my stuff because I've been loving Biossance skincare. It's clean skincare. I've been using it for years. If I could recommend one thing, it's the Ectoin Overnight Rescue. It's just my nightly moisturizer. It's so good and nourishing, better than La Mer, better than any high-end moisturizer. I also love the eye cream from them, and also I use the cleanser. What don't I use? But I also the lip peptide lip balm. so good. I'll link my favorites below, but like I said, it's not gonna be Amazon, but I wanted to share because I want you guys to get an even better deal than Amazon. I recommend checking out the while it's on sale. I'll link it below in my code and everything. But yeah, super excited about that. My Lumino whitening strips. I know springtime rolls around. You may have occasions or events. You may want to brighten your smile. The Lumino whitening strips I've talked about ton of times on my channel. They are a non-toxic whitening strip, and I really love the results I see. I actually need to do one because I have a trip coming up and I need to like refresh my smile before my trip. So I want to do that, but now is a great time if you already love them, but you want to restock. This is a great time to restock or try them out. Hands down, highly recommend. And I have sensitive teeth. I've tried Crest white strips. They do make my teeth pretty sensitive, so I prefer Lumino and also love that it's non-toxic. This I put in the beauty category, but it's like kind of like a home thing, but I love my Canopy humidifier and I saw it was on a deal. I've had my Canopy humidifier probably for about 3 years now and I love mine so much. I love that you could put the components in the dishwasher, not the top part of course, like the tray that the filter sits on and then the little canister that holds the water, because if you've tried humidifiers in the past, you know they can get moldy so easily and we don't want mold problems. So I definitely recommend this because you could throw it in the dishwasher, a lot of the parts, and then they're sanitized and clean and they stay mold free. And they also have filters that you could change out too, which again helps with all of that. So love, love, love mine. It comes in multiple colors. My T3 curling iron, I do use once in a while, but I used to use it a ton in the past. But if you're a curling iron girly and you're looking for a new curling iron tool, I really recommend the T3. It's kind of ironic I used it today because I don't, like I said, I use my Dyson Airwrap the most. I was hoping that was gonna go on sale. If it does, I'll link it below. I love my T3. It's what I use to curl my hair today actually, because I decided I just like in a pinch my hair was straight and I just wanted to use it. It was already dry, so it's too late to do the Dyson. I think it's just like a different look and I absolutely do love my T3, so it is on sale. And then my heatless curling rod, I will use that again if I'm in a pinch or I just want to give my hair a break from heat. My favorite one is the velvet one from Amazon. It's like literally under $10 and I love that one so much because the velvet grips my hair. The satin one just like slip right out of my hair, but the velvety one is so nice and I really enjoy it and the result is so nice too. Next is travel. If you have any trips coming up this spring, summer, or any time of year really, this is the perfect time to pick up some travel organization. First off, my luggage is on a deal. My Delsey luggage that I've had for probably 8 years now and it's holding strong. It did take a little bit of a beating, like when the airline knocks them around and stuff, but I definitely though it's holding strong and it still is in amazing condition. My packing cubes that I'm always using to travel, I love those so much because they really do keep you so organized and I highly recommend it if you just want to keep your trip running more smooth and you could see what you have so much faster, and this keeps everything all nice and separated, so recommend the packing cubes. My jewelry organizer is kind of like a file system but for your jewelry. It's all these little pouches in this case and the case is not like a hard case but it's very sturdy. It's not going to crush your jewelry inside. Like I would put delicate earrings in there and I would be totally okay knowing they're not going to get crushed or messed up. So I love that jewelry organizer, and then you could organize all your pieces by type and then that way it's just so much easier to see everything. They have these clear pouches inside. Also in the fashion category we have a few dresses that would be perfect for spring, being that we have so many things going on in spring and I love these so much. So the first one is this really pretty powder blue dress. I picked the powder blue because I just feel like powder blue is having a major moment and I love the shape and silhouette of this one, but it does come in a ton of other colors. This one is just so dainty and pretty. It's so nice again for so many spring occasions. The other one I saw is this like pink floral. It's so gorgeous. And again, excited to see that this one is on sale and it's so girly and feminine. And I just think it has all the prettiest detailing on it. Next is also this matching set. This has been really popular. It is selling out pretty quick because I was just checking on sizing. They do have it though in a ton of other colors. I think the black set would be so nice as well, especially for traveling or just casual days during the spring, summer. These are really nice sets to have. They feel like really nice quality too. I'm really impressed with it. Some tech finds that I thought were worth mentioning. My Fitbit, I just took it off to film because it just didn't go with my outfit. But I mean, if I'm having like a sporty day running errands, I'll still keep it on throughout the day. And I always keep it, of course, on when I'm at home. But I have to say, I really do enjoy my Fitbit. It has opened my eyes to my sleep so much. It's a nice alternative if you don't want to spend the money on the Apple Watch. My brother recommended this one to me because he had it. I actually thought he was wearing an Apple Watch. It kind of looks like that, but it's not. It's a Fitbit. And I'll link the exact one I have. The model is on sale. My sleep score, I'm working on it, but it has definitely opened up like my sleeping habits. It tells you your heart rate throughout the night, and it's so nice to see. It tells you all about, you know, of course, your steps, and it tracks just so much more. My smart plugs, I love these because then you could just plug in the item with the smart plug, and then that way you can turn off anything from the app. That's what I do in my bedroom. I've done that Christmas time for my trees. I love these smart plugs because you could just tap on your screen instead of having to go behind the furniture or the tree and to unplug something. This just makes it so easy. You could also pair it with your Amazon Alexa, and then you could just tell Alexa to turn off the tree, which is really nice, or whatever it is that you want to turn off. So you could also voice activate it. So much with that, and I love it. It just makes my life so much easier. My Octo Buddy, I don't have it on right now. I only put it on like when I'm filming content that I need to use my Octo Buddy with, but I love it so much. It's just really handy, especially if you're a content creator or if you are getting ready in the morning on your bathroom mirror. I really love having it like just on, you could suction it to your mirror or just different surfaces, which is really nice. My iWalk charger for my phone, it's a definite must have if you are gonna be out for a long period of time where you're not sure you're gonna need more charge for your phone, especially for concerts, especially for spring, summer, and things like that, for travel, and you may not have access to an outlet to charge your phone, then this is really nice to have on hand. Of course, it also is just great for like safety purposes. If you're traveling a long period of time and you need to charge up your phone, it's just so nice to have. That is it for my Amazon spring sale roundup. I also wanted to just quickly go over my outfit details today because I absolutely love this top. I just had to share. So this is new from my online boutique. I absolutely love it. It's 100% cotton, and it's so pretty, and like it's giving very like Doan vibes. And then I have on my Coco, this is repurposed Chanel buttons that are made into jewelry with the 14K gold filled chain. And then my pearl necklace that I love to stack on top. It looks so cute together. We also, speaking of Karen Rose, just launched a few new pieces today that are brand new. A lot of them are 100% cotton, and I absolutely love. So I just thought I'd share because I just love these pieces so much. I'm gonna share little details, but that is it for today's video. I love you all so much, and I will see you all in my next one very soon. Bye.